Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sheldon, the Blind Traveler. I'm here in front of the famous canal in Panama City, Panama, guys. I'm here with my buddy Quad Squad. Yes, sir, and the driver. And I got my homeboy Ulysses Traveler holding the camera. Guys, make sure you go to Quad Squad's channel and subscribe to his channel, and go to my boy Ulysses the Traveler and subscribe to his channel as well, and subscribe to my channel as well. And let me give you guys some information about the canal. So right now we're in the front of the canal and the entrance, and for tourists, it's 17 American dollars to get in, and for locals, it's 3 American dollars. And the reason why you have to pay to get in, because they actually show the history of the canal at the, what is it, the movie theater they have in there?
It's an IMAX.
It's an IMAX theater that they have, and they show the history of the canal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, canal from where?
There's like an area over there where you can watch the canal, watch the boats, and it's free. You just see through a fence.
Yeah.
And I think we're just gonna go check that out, show you the free version, because you know, our driver says he doesn't really think it's worth it. You know, I mean, yeah, I kind of, I feel him.
Yeah.
I'm just happy to spend 17 on drinks and clubs, than 17 on watching a movie about a history of canal. And go to YouTube for that.
Right, exactly. Guys, we're gonna take the advice of a local Panamanian, and we're gonna actually do the free one. We're gonna go to the fence and we're gonna watch the canal from there. Well, you guys are gonna watch the canal. I'm gonna listen to the sounds. So guys, yeah, let's go and have some fun. All right, guys, we are in the vehicle, and our brother here, the driver, Luis, is going to be bringing us to the part of the canal where we can actually watch it for free. Yes, sir. Who wants to pay $17 if you can watch it for free, guys? And also, too, again, the reason why it was $17 for tourists to get in, because they have the theater in there where you can watch the history of the canal. But if you want to save money, get yourself a personal driver like Luis. What up, Luis? And he'll bring you to the section where you can watch it for free, and you can do other things too instead of just being in the theater.
Come on.
Oh, Luis is gonna hold the camera, guys. We need to set up Luis. We gotta get my YouTube channel. Yes, sir. The man of the hour is helping us out. Right on. So what are we looking at, Nick?
We're looking at the canal gates. So
Okay.
It's like a water dam so that they can raise and lower the water if it needs to be.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, beautiful Thursday afternoon. Even though it ain't sunny, the vibes are just right. I got my homie here bumping some reggae music, guys. They love reggae here in Panama. Bump it up, man. Bump it up, Luis. Jeez. Hey. Yes, sir. We're just going right now, guys, to watch the canal for free. Yes, sir. Hey. 17. Right, Louis? Right? Ulysses? Shit. Yeah, exactly, man. Screw the IMAX. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump off. I don't want to get a copyright strike with the music. All right, guys, our driver Luis brought us here where we can actually view the canal for free. And yeah, pretty much, guys, so if you want to pay to get in, there's a restaurant there, but right now the restaurant is closed. And yeah, it's under renovations. But if you guys actually eat in the restaurant and have patience, then you'll see the boats. I think the driver was saying that every 25 minutes a boat will come by. So yeah, so we're here right now, guys, and my homie Luis is gonna show you guys what the canal looks like. And yeah, you see any boats right now, Luis? Not Luis.
Yeah,
Ulysses?
there's one boat.
There's one boat.
There's one boat.
Two boats coming through.
Okay, two boats coming through.
Another boat behind it.
Okay, perfect.
And they come in a slow pace.
Yeah.
Slow pace.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. So, how does this neighborhood look? You want to look at 360, let people see what this neighborhood looks like? I guess you said across.
Well, just the road.
Yeah. Okay. But you said there's food trucks across the street.
There's a food truck across the street. Yeah.
Oh, down the street. Okay. All right. Hope you guys are enjoying this video.
That's it?
Yeah. What's going on, guys? We are just strolling through Panama City right now. We're heading to one of the biggest malls here in Panama. Yo, they love reggae music here in Panama City, guys, man. Bomba clad. My stomach. Guys, we're gonna continue this vlog here at the mall. Actually, at one of the biggest malls in Panama. Actually, the biggest mall in Panama City. It's called Multi Plaza. And yeah, guys, we're gonna go inside and check it out. All right, guys. So we're inside the mall, and I'm gonna pass the phone to my homie, and he's just gonna let you guys know what's around us. He said there's an Olive Garden, P.F. Chang's,
Adidas store,
okay.
Gap, H&M, Banana Republic.
Oh, wow, okay, so this mall is definitely modern.
Yeah, Forever 21. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah. All right, guys, so we're on the main floor. Over down on the bottom floor is a Nike store. You can see the Nike store from here? Yeah. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna grab my buddy's shoulder and we're just gonna walk and we're just gonna explore this mall, guys. I'm not gonna do too much vlogging in here. This mall is very big and I don't want to bore you guys. So, are there lots of people in here, Ulysses?
Half and half.
Okay. All right, so what's over to the right?
We got eyeglass store.
Okay.
Watch store.
Okay.
Gardening.
Okay.
We got like a store that's called Carlos.
Okay.
It's for the bed. They have bed sheets and pillows.
Oh, okay. And then to the left?
To the left, they have it's called Coffees.
Okay, and guys, by the way, this mall obviously is wheelchair accessible. It's accessible also too for the blind. They got elevators in here. And again, we're on the main floor. We're just gonna stroll around and yeah, see what the mall has to offer. All right, guys, I'll jump on after. All right, guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here. This mall is just like a typical mall in America and in Canada. You got your Old Navy, you got your food courts, you got your Crocs store, you got your H&M. You pretty much got everything in this store, guys. Nick, what do you want to say for your last words, I guess, for
I mean,
signing off?
Sheldon added with another one.
Add it with another one, guys.
I mean, it's a big mall. It's just like an eating center in Yorkdale. It's cool. It's great. I don't know the prices because we don't have time to go in the store. But ultimately, it's cool. You know, it's got nice flooring.
Yeah.
I can zip around real quick. And that's what I did without Sheldon to get a better idea of the whole, how big it is and stuff. But besides that, we got a dip. I got to meet someone. And
Yeah.
let's get it going.
Guys, so one last thing. I did say earlier, I'm going to be doing a nightlife video tonight. I might not do one. We're tired. But definitely tomorrow, you're going to see a nightlife video. Peace.